Let me say this clearly. If your B2B company is still run by humans in 2027, you are already behind. Because right now, the fastest growing SaaS companies on Earth aren't hiring teams, they're hiring AI employees. And today, I'm going to show you the top 7 AI tools every serious B2B founder will be using by 2027. Not theory, not hype, actual systems that book meetings, close deals, predict churn, and scale revenue while you sleep. Stick to the end, because tool number 7 is the one your competitors are quietly using to steal your customers before you even know they're shopping. Tool number 1, Clay AI Prospecting Engine. This is Clay, and this is what replacing your entire outbound team looks like. I drop in a list of company domains. Clay pulls job titles, tech stack, funding rounds, hiring signals, and intent data automatically. In 60 seconds, I now have a list of buyers who are literally raising their hands saying, "We're in market." Tool number 2, 11x or Artisan AI SDR Agent. This AI doesn't send cold emails. It runs multi-channel sales sequences, email, LinkedIn, calendar booking, and it never forgets to follow up. This thing books meetings while I'm sleeping. That's not automation, that's replacement. Tool number 3, Attention, AI Sales Call Brain. Every sales call your company runs, this AI records, transcribes, scores objections, and tells your reps exactly why deals are being lost. It's basically a sales manager that never gets tired and never lies. Tool number 4, Warmly, AI Buyer Intent Tracker. This is creepy in the best way. Warmly tells me which company is on my website, what page they're on, and who they probably are in real time. This Slack message just told my sales team, hey, a VP from a 200-person SaaS company is on your pricing page right now. Tool number 5, Endgame or MadKudu, AI Revenue Predictor. This tool predicts which deals will close before your sales team even believes in them. It scores every lead based on behavior, firmographics, and historical data. Green means close, red means waste of time. Tool number 6, Synthesia, AI Founder Clone. This one is wild. This is me, except I didn't record this. This AI did. Now every lead gets a personalized video from the founder without me touching a camera. Tool number 7, RetentionX or Custify, AI Churn Prevention System. This tool watches your customers like a hawk. It tells me who's about to cancel and why weeks before they do. Here's the part no one talks about. I tested this stack with a B2B SaaS doing under 50K a month. In 90 days, they cut their sales team in half. Not because people were bad, but because AI outperformed them. They booked more meetings, they followed up faster, they qualified better, and they never had a bad day. The shocking part isn't that AI is helping businesses, it's that it's quietly deciding who survives. If you're a founder, don't go buy tools, build a system. Step 1, Signal. Use Clay and Warmly to find buyers showing intent, hiring, funding, visiting your site. Step 2, Engage. Let AI SDRs run multi-channel outreach and book meetings automatically. Step 3, Convert. Use Attention to fix broken sales calls and Endgame to focus only on deals that will close. Step 4, Scale. Deploy AI video and churn prediction so growth doesn't leak revenue. This is how one founder can now run what used to take a 20-person revenue team. But here's the part I haven't shown you yet. There's already an AI tool being tested that doesn't just help close deals. It negotiates contracts, adjusts pricing in real time, and chooses which customers your company should even be allowed to talk to. And when that goes mainstream, the B2B founder role changes forever. If you want that breakdown before your competitors get it, hit subscribe, because in the next video, I'm showing the AI that decides who wins your market and who disappears from it.